Android 17 represents a shift toward a proactive intelligence system. By integrating deep hardware, software, and AI, the operating system has evolved from a passive platform into an active ecosystem that anticipates user needs and workflows. We are moving from reactive command-driven interactions to proactive anticipation. Android 17 enables fluid, cross-app workflows where the system acts autonomously in the background, making user intent the primary interface. Gemini Intelligence serves as the central nervous system for Android 17. By embedding this advanced agent directly into the OS layer, the system can execute complex, multi-step workflows based on active context. This automation allows for contextual tasks without manual input. Gemini can parse browser content, extract relevant data, execute tasks like booking, and hand off a final confirmation to the user. Android 17 dissolves traditional app boundaries through cross-app orchestration. By using AI to parse and structure data, the system can connect information across different apps, such as syncing a syllabus to a shopping cart or a grocery list to a delivery service. Bridging AI and local state is achieved through the Android Model Context Protocol. This enables Gemini to directly interact with an app's unique capabilities, allowing for autonomous execution without requiring manual navigation. Users can now generate bespoke UI on demand. Instead of relying on rigid, pre-built widgets, simple language prompts allow the system to render custom interfaces like specialized countdowns or integrated briefings tailored to user needs. Gboard Rambler helps structure raw thought. It filters out filler words and stumbles from voice dictation in real time, providing clean, formatted text output regardless of the original speech pattern. Android 17 unlocks proprietary camera hardware for all apps. Through vendor-defined extensions, non-native applications can finally leverage advanced computational photography features like super resolution and low-light processing. Security is enhanced with real-time threat detection. By monitoring for behavioral anomalies rather than relying on static signatures, Android 17 can actively block malicious activities like SMS theft or UI hijacking. We are accelerating this ecosystem shift with new developer tools. These include automated code generation for app functions, intelligent migration of legacy UI, and tools to help modernize camera implementations. Ultimately, Android 17 is a fully integrated intelligence stack. From its hardware foundation up to the surface-level user experience, every layer works together to execute user intent autonomously.